What happened to your phone, you said, miss?
Me and my sister got into an argument because I took her clothes.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. It was a very heated argument.
And she tossed it?
Yep.
Wow.
She slammed it on the ground. She didn't know her own strength, I guess.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know if it's fixable though.
Don't worry. I got you. Can't turn it off.
Hello. Hi, gorgeous. You're so cute. Here you go. He's like, which hand is it in? It's in this one. Can you see? You're so cute. Can I take you home? Right? We got a nice big pit bull. You'll get along with him. Oh no. No? Wanna have some babies? He's so cute.
Screen is fixed. Time to fix back glass. Surgery time. Your phone is ready, miss. Look at this now.
Wow, it's
Now,
gorgeous.
It's good to go.
Yes. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh my gosh. I missed you. Look at this. It's gorgeous. It's like nothing happened.
Yep.
This is amazing work.
Thank you.
I was going crazy. Whew. Thank you.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts.